Magandang hapon po ng July 30, 2024 Tuesday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng July 30, 2024 Tuesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng July 30, 2024 Tuesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. 'See you again later' for 9 p.m. draw result of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for July 30, 2024, Tuesday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658 is 60 million pesos. Super Lotto 649 jackpot price estimates is 17 million pesos. And Lotto 642 jackpot price estimates is 11.5 million pesos for July 30, 2024, Tuesday. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for July 30, 2024, Tuesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.